You know that feeling when you are waiting for a text that never comes, or when you worked so hard for something and didn't get the recognition you hoped. That sinking feeling is a sign that your happiness is dependent on an outcome that you can't control, to other people's actions, approval, or love. But what if you could build a source of joy that doesn't depend on anyone else? For thousands of years, Buddhism has taught that this is possible, not by chasing, but by cultivating your inner world. Today, I will share 4 simple daily practices to help you build your own garden of joy. Number 1, practice letting go. The Buddha taught, we suffer because we cling to outcomes, to people, to the need for things to go exactly our way. So try this now. Notice one thing you are gripping too tightly. Maybe it's wanting someone to text you back. Maybe it's needing a plan to go perfectly. Then gently ask, what if I loosen my grip? Just a little. Remember, letting go isn't about not caring. It's caring without losing yourself. Number 2, rewire your brain with micro-gratitude. Our brains have a natural negativity bias. They are wired to focus on the one thing that went wrong, even when 100 other things went well. Gratitude trains our mind to look for what's good, what's kind, what's abundant. Tonight, before bed, name 3 small, specific things you are grateful for today, like a text from a friend, or how your pet greeted you, or the meal you made for yourself. This simple act rewires our brain to scan the world for kindness and abundance. And what we focus on grows. Number 3, sit with your feelings. When sadness or anger rises, our instinct is to escape. But very often, the way out is through. Most strong emotions naturally move through in about 10 to 20 minutes if we don't resist them. So next time, when a wave comes, don't run away from it. Sit with it for 10 minutes. Feel it in your body. Name it gently. This is sadness. This is frustration. When we fully feel our emotions, they can move through us. When we resist them, they get stuck, and they will stay for longer. Over time, you will see that you are the sky, not the storm, and the storm always passes. Number 4, discover the secret joy of service. One of the most powerful ways to feel true joy is to give joy, and with 0 expectation of return. This is what Buddhists call seva, selfless service. Do one kind act today. Hold the door for someone, give a genuine compliment, or send a caring message. Do it not for the praise, but simply because it feels good to be kind. You will discover a beautiful secret. Giving without expectation fills your heart in a way that receiving never can. So, you see, there's a better way to happiness. True happiness isn't a destination you arrive at. It's a garden you cultivate daily. Start with just one practice today, and over time, your garden will grow more abundant and beautiful, until one day, you will find you have so much joy you can't help but share it with the world. If this video brought you a moment of peace or a new perspective, please subscribe so we can continue this journey together. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.